In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a CV to your Wix website. Whether you're a freelancer, job seeker, or business owner, showcasing your professional background through a CV can make your online presence more appealing. Let's dive in and get started with this simple yet effective process. First things first, you need to open the Wix website editor. Ensure you're logged into your account and navigate to your website's edit page. The editor provides a user-friendly interface that makes website customization straightforward, even for the uninitiated. Now that you're in the editor, locate the Add button. This is where you can add various elements to your website, like text, images, and other media. Click on this button, which typically opens up a panel on the left side of your screen containing a host of options. Among these options, you will find something called Embed Code. Select this option. Embedding code is a powerful feature in Wix that lets you integrate third-party content seamlessly. But don't worry if you don't have any coding experience. Wix simplifies this process for you. Once you've clicked on Embed Code, you'll see an option for a PDF viewer. The PDF viewer is essentially a tool that enables your website visitors to view PDF documents directly on your site. It's perfect for displaying documents like CVs in a professional and accessible way. Next, click on Upload PDF. This is where you'll upload your CV file from your computer. Make sure that you've saved your CV as a PDF, as this format is both professional and universally accessible. After clicking, you'll be prompted to locate the file on your device. Following this, press the Add File button. This action initiates the uploading process of your PDF into your Wix site's media library. It's important to remember that having your file named appropriately and error-free is crucial, as this naming could be visible to your website visitors. When the upload finishes, opt to Upload Media if prompted. This will ensure that your document gets embedded within the media library, making it ready for you to place anywhere on your site. Then select your PDF file from your library. You'll see a thumbnail preview of your document, which should now be available for selection. Click on it to highlight your CV as the piece you want to embed on your web page. Finally, click Add to Page. Your PDF containing your CV will appear on your web page. You can drag and resize the viewer to fit your page design aesthetics. With this step completed, your online CV should now be part of your Wix site, ready to impress potential clients, employers, or collaborators. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you've added a significant enhancement to your Wix website. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks on boosting your online presence.